Have you ever wondered what the world around you truly looks like? Beyond what the naked eye can see lies a hidden universe of intricate structures and surprising details. Today, we're going on an incredible journey to uncover the secret lives of everyday materials, all under the powerful lens of a microscope. First up, let's take a look at something we use everyday paper. To the eye, it seems smooth and uniform, a perfect surface for writing or printing. But under the microscope, the reality is far more complex. We see a tangled web of cellulose fibers, the building blocks of paper, interwoven and overlapping. The arrangement of these fibers determines the paper's strength, texture, and how it absorbs ink. It's a fascinating look at the structure that makes our daily communication possible. Next, let's zoom in on a common material, a simple grain of sand. On a beach, sand looks like tiny uniform particles, perfect for building castles. Under the microscope, however, each grain reveals itself as a unique jewel. You'll see fragments of different minerals, the result of countless years of weathering and erosion. The colors and shapes vary widely, a testament to the diverse geological history each grain carries. This microscopic world offers a breathtaking glimpse into the Earth's processes. Now let's explore something that most of us consume daily: salt. A simple sprinkle of salt seems so ordinary, but under a microscope, we discover a perfect crystalline structure. Each tiny grain is a miniature cube with sharp edges and precise angles. This crystalline arrangement is a fundamental property of salt, giving it its ability to dissolve in water and add flavor to our food. It's a beautiful example of the way nature creates order at the smallest scale. Finally, let's examine the fabric of our clothing, like cotton. To the touch, cotton is soft and comfortable. But under the microscope, we find that each fiber is a twisted ribbon. These unique twists give cotton its flexibility and ability to absorb moisture, making it ideal for clothing. It's a reminder that the materials we wear have a complex structure that affects their performance and our comfort. So, the next time you interact with these everyday materials, paper, sand, salt, or cotton, remember the hidden worlds they hold. The microscope reveals a universe of beauty, complexity, and surprising functionality. It reminds us that even the simplest objects around us have a secret life waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this microscopic adventure.